Alright, so Dutty Berry here at Reggae Sumfest 2023, and I'm here with my new bestie, forever bestie, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm everybody's auntie.
Yes, no, but me special.
No, you are special.
Thank you.
You are very.
Can you say to the camera right there?
Special. Very, very special.
Very, very special, right? It's yours on me and you. Welcome to TheDuttyBerryShow's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa.
Yes.
Now, is it because Tommy Lee is on the lineup while you're here? Because I interviewed you some years ago, and you said that he was somebody that you were keeping your eye on. So
yes.
You came out here to see Tommy Lee and what he's going to do?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But all the artists belong to me.
Mm-hmm.
I love them all. But of course, there are those that have a little special place in my heart. And especially those who have come into their own.
Yeah.
And Sumfest is a great place for us to see all of them.
Mm-hmm.
And where we can see that we can put on a festival with all our homegrown acts.
Yes.
And the world comes to see them. So I'm beaming with pride.
No, in recent months I've been thinking of joining the dancehall industry because I have some vocals in a minister.
Really?
And so I heard that you actually did a bit of producing. You used to do all of that. So would you be willing to voice me one of these days?
I would be willing to take you in the studio.
Oh, wow.
And I'd be willing to produce you.
I have a song. Can I sing? We can sing peace for you?
Yes.
All right. May have the yam and banana. And I cook it in mañana. That's a Spanish feed tomorrow. How much of that did they give me?
This is crazy.
You want the truth?
Yeah, I can manage. I know you're probably going to say 9 out of 10.
What?
Well, let's put it today.
Mm-hmm.
To put it this way. Mm-hmm. You have the makings.
Yeah, okay.
All right?
Yes, but
you need a little more work.
Wow.
All right?
So it's like...
You have the yam and banana, but after you leave there...
Oh, yeah, but...
You need a little better, a little more seasoning and all of that.
All right, so, I've been speaking to some people, and they talk about the whole Dolly culture right now. And you have influencers, TikTok creators, all of that. But what I heard is that you are the original influencer. You are the original person who go out into the streets, meet the people, socialite, promote dance and all of that. So all of these new people, you are the OG. Is you started, Minister?
Well, not just me.
Okay.
But we had a great team. Mm-hmm. And of course, Shabarangs, Patra, Panhead.
Yeah.
You name Dirtsman, you name them. Mm-hmm. They were all a part of the Spectrum team.
Okay.
And the young artists today, they are standing on the shoulders of some great people. Mm-hmm. Some have passed, some are still around. Mm-hmm. And I just want them to understand that they have a responsibility to keep the music alive.
Yes.
And to keep it positive.
Mm-hmm. All right, so that is it, with my interview with the Minister Olivia Babsy Grange. I want you to just look into the camera right now. And so just tell the people them to like, share, comment, and subscribe on all of Dutty Berry Show's videos. Tell them, because they will listen when you talk.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Say Tops and Roses too.
Tops and Roses.
And send me the money gun. All right.